What if you never had to open another browser tab to compare AI models again? In our last video, we talked about the absolute exhaustion of jumping between ChatGPT, Gemini, and DeepSeek just to get a good answer. Today, we're opening the doors. I'm going to give you a quick tour of AIanswerLab's product, Ensemble built to fix your workflow. Welcome inside AIanswerLab. The core philosophy here is simple. You shouldn't have to leave your workspace to get the best AI output. When you log in, you're not just accessing one AI model. With Ensemble, you're accessing the top large language models on the market from a single screen. Here's how it works. You type your prompt once in the command bar. Instead of copying and pasting that same prompt into 3 different websites, Ensemble automatically routes it to multiple AI engines at the same time. Within seconds, you can compare the responses side by side. So whether you want to see which model writes a better marketing email, explains a concept more clearly, or generates better code, you can compare everything instantly, word for word, without ever leaving your workspace. But here's the feature our early users are actually the most excited about. We call it the context saver. If you use AI for work, you already know that context is everything. Your brand voice, your coding framework, your project instructions, and your company guidelines. On most AI platforms, all of that context disappears the moment you close the chat. But not here. Ensemble includes a persistent memory vault where you can securely store your important instructions and project context. Instead of rewriting the same setup prompts again and again, you simply select your saved context, choose the AI models you want to use, and start working. Your AI finally remembers what matters. And your workflow becomes much faster and much more consistent. Right now, Ensemble is the ultimate co-pilot inside AIanswerLab for solo founders, developers, and power users. But we also know that AI is a team sport. That's why we're actively building features that will allow you to share saved contexts and prompt libraries with your entire team. Imagine onboarding a new hire and instantly giving them access to your company's perfectly tuned AI prompts and workflows. You don't need to be a prompt engineer to get better results from AI. You just need a better workspace. Stop juggling tabs and start getting better answers. Click the link in the description below to create your free AIanswerLab Ensemble account and take the dashboard for a spin today. See you in the next video.